Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the continue statements in detail. So, when we should use the continue statements? When we want to skip part of the loop, when a certain condition is met and resume back to the loop, we use the continue statements. The continue statements starts with the keyword continue. The continue statement can also be used in both for loop and in while loop. Now we will look into an example using for loop to have a better understanding about how the continue statement works. So in this example, we have created a list L which has 4 objects. We have a loop for loop which loops through each object in the list and it executes the indent block. Inside the indent block, we have an if condition which checks for the value continuous. So during the first 2 iterations, the if statement turns out to be false. So the if block is not executed. Whereas during the third iteration, the value continuous from the list is assigned to the temporary variable. So in this condition, the if statement turns out to be true. So the program enters inside the if block. Inside the if block, the program first print the first print statement, then the program encounters the continue statement. The moment when the program encounters the continue statements, it skips this loop and it moves to the for loop again. This print statement is skipped as soon as the program encounters the continue statement and the program resumes till it completes the entire loop. Let's run the program and check this out. Sorry guys. So if you guys noticed, for the first 2 iterations, the if block is not executed. During the third iteration, the if blocks turns out to be true and the first print statement is executed. And the program encounters the continue statement. The moment the program encounters the continue statement, the next line in the program is skipped and the loop runs. Once the loop is completed, which is the statement is the last part of our loop, which completes and the program moves to the next line of the code, which is the program ends. Hope you guys understood the control statements in detail. See you guys in the next